If you want to know some of the best Google Home features, then keep watching. Hey, I'm Tomato Tech and I'm back with another video about the Google Home. So let's get started after the intro. So the first feature I want to share with you is the interpreter mode. So let's go ahead and I do this. Hey Google, turn on interpreter mode.
What language should I interpret to?
French.
Okay, before you start talking, make sure to wait until you hear this sound. Let's start.
Hello, how was your day?
Bonjour, comment était ta journée?
Next up, a feature that a lot of you don't know is that you can change the voice of Google Home. So you can choose between two voices if you activate them by speak command, or you can do several voices, I think it's like 6, in the Google Home app. So let's go. Hey Google, change your voice.
Here is an example of one of my other voices. Would you like me to use this one?
No.
Here is another voice example. Would you like me to use this one?
No.
Okay, if you want to hear more voice options, you can find them in Google Assistant settings on your phone.
So these were some of the voices. And now let's go on with the next one. The next one is Lucky Triviaci. This is a game you can play with several players, and Google Home can hear the difference between the voices, and yeah, let's do this. Hey Google, let's play Lucky Trivia.
I've been waiting for this. I have a whole thing that I do. Okay, start the music. Welcome to Are You Feeling Lucky? The game show that keeps you guessing. On top of being your Google Assistant, I'm the host of this silly show. How many contestants are playing?
1.
One contestant. Fabulous. We'll do 5 questions. Great to have you in the game. While you're here, you get the extra special name Tater Tot. Remember that. Okay, let's get things started. It'll be over before you know it, but if you want to end the game early, say stop. It's going to be about books and authors. The Help was written by which author? Marcus Zusak, William Shakespeare, or Catherine Stockett?
Marcus Zusak. Excuse me, because I have absolutely no
So sorry,
idea
Tater
about
Tot.
these questions.
Believe it or not, it's
I
Catherine
don't read
Stockett.
any books.
Question number 2 is next. Animals are very mysterious. True or false, the horned owl uses its horns to establish dominance in mating rituals.
Hey Google, stop.
Are you sure you want to quit?
Yes.
Alright, I'll be right here if you change your mind.
I'm sorry I was so bad, but I don't read books and I have no idea about these questions, but let's go on with the next one. Another cool feature is the broadcast. And now, since 2019, you can also answer to a broadcast. But sadly I don't have a second speaker, so I can't show you this. But I can show you the command. Hey Google, broadcast hello there.
Looks like there aren't any other speakers connected on your home network, so I can't broadcast your message.
So now the second speaker, or if you have more than 2, the other ones would all send this message out. So that's pretty cool, and now you can also answer from these other Google Homes to the one with the broadcast. So I think that's quite useful if you have some Google Homes in your house and maybe your wife is finished with the with the food and you have to go to eat, then she can let you know that. So that's quite cool. Let's go on with the next one. So the next commands are actually some Easter eggs and some of them are quite funny. So let's jump right in. Hey Google, did you fart?
It was me, I farted. It definitely wasn't someone else in the room.
Hey Google, I'm your father.
I'm the Google Assistant, not Luke. I just looked in my heart. I know it to be true.
Hey Google, can you rap a song?
I can rhyme, and I even have an original poem I've been working on. It's an ode to search. I love to search, I cannot lie. I'll search it all, I am not shy. Search for pictures, search for pie. I search, at least I try.
Okay Google, it's my birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay Google, sing me a song.
I'm singing a song. I'm your assistant and I'm singing la 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 la.
So I think that's it with my Google Home. These are just some of the best features. There are so many possibilities with your Google Home and Google Assistant. I love this thing. I always use it for setting an alarm clock, for reading the news and so on. So I would definitely pick this one up. It's quite cheap and I hope you liked the video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you liked it to see more content like this, or let me also know in comments below what you want to see next. See you guys in the next one.